Singapore is at the forefront of smart and sustainable manufacturing. A-Star collaborates with our partners to advance technology through top-notch research and development. Together, we develop solutions across the entire manufacturing value chain that aim to redefine the future of manufacturing. With the global push towards environmental sustainability, there is an increasing need for the manufacturing sector to focus on wastewater treatment. However, chemicals used in current treatment processes incur a high resource footprint and may lead to secondary environment pollution. At A-Star, we have developed a chemical-free, self-sustaining integrated water circularity system to reduce wastewater pollution. This novel system combines A-Star's electrochemical advanced oxidation process with nanobubble generation and our unique ceramic membranes. EAOP can remove organic pollutants, while the high surface energy of nanobubbles further enhances its effectiveness. Combined with A-Star's unique ceramic membranes, this process is highly effective in removing particulate matter and treating wastewater. In addition, membrane fouling is effectively controlled with mechanical cleaning through nanobubbles, with foulants degraded by the electrochemical oxidation process. With novel mechanisms to prevent membrane fouling, our integrated water circularity system provides several competitive advantages. This includes minimal secondary contamination while providing configuration flexibility with a smaller resource footprint. This closed-loop water treatment will be ideal for the future of sustainable urban manufacturing. Achieve better water resource management with A-Star and our partners. Accelerate your smart and sustainable manufacturing journey with A-Star today.